Day 3 is demo day, and my favorite demo, don't tell anybody, my favorite demo at Mobile World Congress is this Edge Compute Stack demo that my man, Christine, the place to be, is about to give it down. Let's do it.
All right. So Edge Compute Stack is helping organizations bring AI to where they run their business operations, whether it's in a retail store, a factory, or even an ambulance like here. And it consists of a runtime that's optimized for edge workloads, which need real time or they need to do computer vision applications. And then it has a management piece, which makes it really simple to manage all this without IT people out at all your edge locations. And so let me show you really quickly how the management works from a high level. So you have all these stores. Say you're a retailer with 1,000 stores, you need to deploy 1,000 servers to each one. You can ship those servers out with a base image of VMware Edge Compute Stack from your hardware vendor. When they get to the stores, all it has to do is your store manager plugs it in, types in the serial number. It'll automatically pull down all the files it needs to run all the applications that that store needs to do its business. Now, when you need to update an application in those 1,000 stores, all you do is update this Git repository, and then when there's connectivity, these edges
How do they get that connectivity, Chris?
will pull down the files they need. They get the connectivity with VMware Velocloud SD-WAN.
That's right, baby. How can they learn
So
more?
they can learn more at vmware.com/Edge Compute Stack, or you can come by here and we'll show you a demo.
Day 3.